Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the iPhone and removing any case so nothing obstructs the Truedepth module. Next, you back up the device because some fixes require Face ID resets. This protects your data. Once done, clean the front glass gently with a microfiber and a small amount of 70% 90% isopropyl on the cloth, not dripping. Then use a toothpick to lift any debris from speaker mesh. Make sure to avoid pushing particles into the camera assembly. You now open the phone after removing pentalobe screws and use a suction cup plus plastic picks to separate the display. Go slow to protect cables. Once the display is ajar, disconnect the battery to prevent shorting. This also reduces damage risk while you handle the Truedepth Flex. You then expose the front camera bracket and carefully clean the IR emitter, dot projector, and lenses with a small amount of isopropyl on a swab. This removes oils that block IR light and restore sensor accuracy. You reassemble by fully reseating connectors and reconnecting the battery, tightening screws evenly without over-torque. This preserves connector integrity. Once closed, boot the phone and immediately run Face ID setup and the front camera and the camera app to verify IR dot projection and depth mapping. If Face ID fails, reset Face ID and try a software restore from your backup. Troubleshooting tip. If hardware cleaning and software resets fail, seek an authorized repair. Trying deep disassembly without experience risks permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.